So, you have this table, right? So listen, I'm going to fill in a couple rows, and I'm going to do my best. It's very squished, so you guys are going to have to try to follow me and then complete the chart, okay, as we go through it. We can talk, but eventually I won't write the equations. I'll just write the numbers in, is what I'm saying. Okay? So, now Gio has 28 meters of fence to build a pen for her dog. She plans to build a pen along one wall of her house as shown. So here's her house, here's the pen. The pen is going to have 3 sides to it. Everyone agree with that? Because the 4th side will be against her house. Complete the table to find the possible area of the pen, the possible areas of the pen that can be fenced. Okay. So they're telling us, first of all, perimeter, right? 28 meters of fence. She has 28 meters of fence to use. 28 meters is standing in for perimeter. Does everyone agree with that? And we know the calculation for perimeter in this question would be, and they give it to you here, 2 widths plus a length. Does everyone agree with that? So 2 widths plus a length is equal to 28 meters. Because that's the amount of fence we have to use. We don't have any more, and you're not going to want to throw stuff out, so you want to use all of it. Okay? All right. So these types of tables you will have to do on the tests, on the exam. You will see them because other than trial and error, these types of charts are the best way to keep track of the numbers as you go. And I promise, you look at this chart and you're like, Helen, this is going to take me forever to write it out. Like, that's going to be super annoying. But it ends up being less work because you can just check things off more quickly than just picking random numbers. Okay? I promise you. All right. So, first things first. What she did is she completed a chart. And she just said, you know what, I'm going to pick arbitrary numbers for the width of this pen I'm creating. Okay? So she said, let's start with 1 meter. And go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? We know that the perimeter always stays at 28. But I want to know the length. And once I have the length, I can then calculate area. Does everyone agree with that? So can I rearrange this equation to get length by itself? Could I rearrange that equation to get length by itself? Could I say, okay, well, here's my length. I'm going to move it. No, I'm going to keep it. I'm sorry. I changed my mind. I apologize. Okay, so it was 2W plus, I'll do my length like that, 28. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm sorry, is I'm going to pick up my 2W and I'm going to move it to this side. Everyone remembers this? We did this on the first day. It just rearranges the equation. So my equation is now length equals 28 minus 2W. Everyone agree? I haven't done anything crazy here. Now, because she picked arbitrary numbers for possible widths of her pen, can I calculate the length? Can I say, okay, well here, and this is where it's going to get a little mucky, okay? So here, I'm going to go 28 minus 2 times W. In this row, W is 2. Does everyone agree with that? Yep. So I'm going to hit equal, and whatever 28, it's going to be 28 minus 4, so it's going to be 24. Everyone agree? Okay, now area is length times width, right? So I have my width, I have my length. I'm going to go length times width, so I am now, 48? Correct?
Yep.
Yeah?
Just keep going there, plug it in.
And you just keep going. Okay? Good morning. Oh, sorry. You missed the first lesson today, okay? But we're just on the second one right now. Okay, next. So again, I'm going to try again. So my equation is 28 minus 2 times 3. Because now I'm saying my width is 3. I'm going to attempt it with 3. So now I have 28 minus 6. So it becomes 22. I'm now calculating my area again. 22 times 3 gives me 66. Sorry, I should put meters squared in here, but you don't need to do it for each row. So does that look too messy if I keep doing that, or everyone can read it all right? Okay. So next one, 28 minus 2 times 4. Again, the 4 is coming from the width. The 4 is coming from the width. So now I have 28 minus 8, so I have 20.
Isn't this just like algebra? So basically all you do is just subtract 2 all the way down.
Yeah. Yeah. You just recognize the pattern, right? Yeah. Okay. So 4 times 20 is 80. Okay, so Herschel, what did you say? Sorry, you noticed a pattern, right? What was the pattern?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. So I went 24, 22, 20. So what will my next number be here?
18.
18,
16.
16,
14. 8. 6. 4. 2.
okay? Every time you do these, once you do a couple rows, you will see a pattern that comes out, and then you can just continue with the pattern. Okay? So now all I need to do is I need to calculate those areas. So I'm going to go 5 times 18 gives me 90. 6 times 16 gives me 96. 7 times 14 gives me 98. And so just remember, you're doing this. The 5 times the 18 gives you the 90, because it's just length times width, right? So 8 times 12 gives me 96. 9 times 10 gives me 90. 10 times 8 gives me 80. 11 times 6 gives me 66. What am I? 48 here, and 26. Okay, so in the question it says, find the possible areas of the pen, okay? She wants the largest pen possible, so the greatest area based on using 28 meters of fence. So all you do now is you come here and you look for the greatest area. So our greatest area is right here, 98 meters squared. So what are the dimensions of the pen with the greatest area? The dimensions are 7 by 14. Okay. Okay, how is the length of the pen with the greatest area related to its width? What do you notice about the length of the pen to the width of the pen? It's double. Okay, so that's what they're saying. So this is generally the case you will get with a three-sided pen, okay? Now, you will get this type of question where it's not attached to the house at all. It's just standing out like that fence structure right there, keeping outside, okay? There's 4 sides to it. And the only thing that will change, instead of being 2W plus 1L, it'll be 2W plus 2L. Because you'll have 2 lengths, 2 widths. Okay? So you will see a question like that, I guarantee it. Alright? Okay, I think that's it. So we're done. So is there practice for that one?
That was practice.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you're welcome. Thanks.